Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to buy product from AliExpress with Skrill Virtual Master Card. There are so many users actually comment us and they also personally messages us, is it possible to buy any product from AliExpress with Skrill Virtual Card? So we are going to making this video about these topics, that how can you buy product from AliExpress with Skrill Virtual Card. So it's very important to Asian countries users. Actually maximum Asian country users are not able to get international MasterCard from their local bank, so it's very easy and it's the secure way to buy product from AliExpress with Skrill Virtual Mastercard. Those that can get European Skrill account easily from us. Okay, so we are going to make this video that how can buy any product from AliExpress. Not only AliExpress, you can pay with Skrill Virtual Mastercard with any international platform such as Amazon, Walmart, eBay, etc. Okay, so those maximum Asian users basically use AliExpress to buy product, and here is a lot of product available, so maximum people are interested to buy product from AliExpress. So this video will help you that how can buy product from AliExpress with Skrill Virtual Mastercard. Okay, so I'm interested to buy this product. I'm already in this link and my account also logged in. I'm also already logged in AliExpress platform. Okay, so the product price is 1.58 USD. so I'm selecting this color. This product I need to choose the color. I'm select black and quantity. I'm interested to buy one copy. Okay, so now this is the shipping charge and this product will be shipped on Bangladesh. Okay, so now we need to click on the buy button. I'm clicking here. Okay, so this is the shipping address first, then a payment method. Actually I have already a payment method on AliExpress, but in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can buy product from AliExpress with Skrill Virtual Mastercard. So I'm go to add my Skrill Mastercard. Okay, I'm clicking the payment section here, this drop down menu. Okay, here is 4 payment method available, web money and card. So I'm interested to add a new card which are Skrill Virtual Mastercard. So I'm clicking here, add a new card. Okay, I need to go down. So now we need to enter the card number. This is the Skrill card. Now we need to write the cardholder name. Okay, so this is the card information details. Okay, card number, cardholder name, expire date and CVV. Okay, now we need to click on the confirm button. Okay, I'm clicking here. I'm rechecking. So this card is added. Okay, now we need to click on the place order button. I'm clicking here to make the payment to AliExpress. They will charge us about 1.61 in total. Now I'm clicking here, place order. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so payment successful. They will ship our product within 2 or 3 days and we will receive our product within 20 to 25 days. Okay, so this is the process to buy AliExpress product with Skrill Virtual Mastercard. So hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any question about this video, you can leave your question in our comment section. If you're new in our channel, then please subscribe us. Your subscription will inspire us to make new videos. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe. Thank you.